Robert Kyagulanyi Centum was heading to Human Rights International just to put up a case. Journalists were clobbered terribly by the military police and the so-called security. Security is supposed to be general purpose, more so for the people. Yep. Most of the security agencies are paid under the docket of the Uganda People's Defense Forces. And internal security is about Ministry of Internal Affairs, more so the police and the local intelligence. Yes. But if you can see, instead of keeping the peace for the people, they are beating innocent citizens who are just producing a publication on the state of art of what is happening in the country. It is very absurd.
There has been a number of arrests and abductions. Let's first look about the current abductions, and a number of people have been arrested time and again, time and again, time and again. What do you have to speak about this, Honorable Kanti?
An abduction is illegal. Illegal arrests are illegal themselves. What brings out something like this is when the security of the country is no longer pro the people, but pro the regime.
Yep.
Now, we are no longer looking at the citizens of this country, the coffers, finance coffers, to finance institutions and ministries. We are now looking at institutions of this government, personalized by the regime. We are no longer building the nation together. The regime is eating the nation to kill. Killing has not started right now. There is something I want to make very clear. Put all those cameras straight into my eyes. The junta comes by the gun, by the barrel, sponsored by the secret society. Now, he has kept all regions of this country with rebels.
Yep.
Eastern Uganda was Alice Lakwena. At one time, there have been reports of a full battalion, followed by another one, being killed by Alice Lakwena's forces. You remember the corner clerk. The Northern Uganda, Joseph Kony, a rebel. I don't think Kony is a rebel. He is a rebel contractor for the secret society.
Yep.
Southwestern Uganda, we have had the Allied Democratic Forces. I'm a victim of the ADF when I was a student in Kichwamba. Come to Central, that is Kampala and Entebbe regions, we've had bomb blasts claiming these have been done by the Al-Qaeda supported programs. Come to Bunyoro here, we have had a rebel by the names of Herbert Itongwa. After we claimed his life, many of us on media, remember that time it wasn't social media like this, it was on a Skype that was like WhatsApp. They declared Herbert Itongwa died. Herbert Itongwa died in Denmark and he was cremated. Then they produced a report that his true names were not Herbert Itongwa. That was a name, a nickname, condom name. His true names were Kikomeko Sediabane. It is very embarrassing, keeping the country with the rebels everywhere. Now, the rebels right now are the true soldiers in the docket of UPDF. They are paid under the UPDF docket. But